Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating E2 error code on your Black & Decker portable dishwasher, don't worry, we're going to tackle this head-on. In this video, I'll walk you through what the E2 error means, why it's happening, and the step-by-step solutions to get your dishwasher back up and running smoothly. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is the E2 error code? In Black & Decker dishwashers, E2 typically signals an issue with water drainage. This could mean your machine isn't draining properly, often due to a blockage or a problem with the pump system. It's a common error that pops up in portable models, especially if they've been in use for a while. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most frequent culprits include a clogged drain hose. Maybe it's kinked, twisted, or full of food particles. Another possibility is a dirty filter that's preventing water from flowing freely. Sometimes, it's as simple as the dishwasher not being level, which can disrupt the drainage process. Less commonly, there might be an electrical glitch or a faulty pump, but we'll start with the easier fixes. Alright, time for the good part. Solutions. Step 1. Unplug your dishwasher and let it sit for a few minutes to reset. This can clear minor glitches. Next, check the drain hose. Make sure it's straight, not kinked, and clear of any blockages. If it's clogged, use a pipe cleaner or a small brush to remove debris. Don't forget to inspect and clean the filter. It's usually located at the bottom of the unit. Remove it, rinse it under warm water, and put it back once it's dry. If that doesn't do the trick, ensure your dishwasher is on a level surface. Use a bubble level to check and adjust the feet if needed. Once everything's in place, plug it back in and run a test cycle. If the E2 error persists, it might be time to look into the pump or consult a professional technician. There you have it. Simple steps to fix the E2 error on your Black & Decker portable dishwasher. Remember, safety first. Always unplug the unit before working on it. If you're ever unsure, call in the experts. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped. Stay tuned for more home repair tips, and see you next time.